Hi guys, so that's my walk over. You're about to watch a video of some new material. It's something I've never done before. I've been looking and watching some tutorial vlogs on how to make cool content with just your iPhone. I didn't have a tripod for this one, so this has just been leaning up against rocks and trees, etc. But looking at different angles and a different take on it. So have a look, write in the comments what you think about the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and they'll notify you when I have other videos coming out. But other than that, thank you. I hope you enjoyed.